Every day we make decisions, like what to wear, what to eat, and what to watch on TV. The decisions we make every day can also change the world, or at least try to. Like choosing a storage box which is made from recycled raw material and is 100% recyclable, or our garden bed that helps you grow your own food. By choosing long-lasting, sustainable products, you're making the world just a little bit better every day. Sustainability starts with development. We design products that bring good into our everyday lives. The majority of our products are made of recycled material, which is how we reduce the risk of climate change and promote a circular economy. We are the largest user of recycled material in our industry. Currently, 41% of the raw material we use is recycled, and our goal is to reach 55% by 2025. Now that's 100% impressive. We also mitigate climate change risks by investing in technology, energy efficiency, and waste reduction in production. Our products are then efficiently packaged and sent to our consumers. At Keter, we strongly believe in a circular economy. That is why we have developed take-back programs, so products at the end of their life cycle are collected and new ones are produced. Beyond environmental sustainability, our heart is people. Our employees volunteer within local communities. They're also encouraged to develop their careers within the company while promoting their personal well-being. So there you have it. Keter is all about everyday sustainability. Your everyday decisions, our long-lasting products, and a shared love for the planet makes the world just a little bit better every day.